What happens when a divorced woman who has custody of her child remarries? Does her new husband automatically assume the title of the child's father, or does the biological father retain that title? Let's find out the opinion of the Kerala High Court. The case concerns a man trying to adopt his wife's child from a previous marriage. The child's mother and stepfather were the first and second petitioners in this case. The mother had divorced the child's biological father through a mutual settlement which granted her permanent custody of the child while allowing the father interim custody and visitation rights. However, the father had not visited or contacted the child since 2016, and the mother alleged that he had effectively disowned the child by stating that he had no children on a matrimonial website. She also argued that the father had a criminal background and posed a risk to the child's welfare. The petitioners applied for step parent adoption through the State Adoption Resource Agency and the Child Welfare Committee. However, the biological father opposed the adoption, arguing that it was legally impermissible under the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act and the Juvenile Justice Act. He contended that his consent was mandatory and that the mother had deliberately obstructed his attempts at maintaining a relationship with the child. The Kerala High Court observed that under the Juvenile Justice Act and the adoption regulations, step parent adoption requires the biological parent's consent unless the parent has surrendered the child. Since the father had custodial rights and had not consented, the adoption could not proceed. The court emphasized that adoption permanently severs the legal relationship between the child and the biological parent, making consent a crucial safeguard. Accordingly, the petitioner's request was denied and the writ petition was dismissed. Head to the comments to share your thoughts on this verdict. And join our membership program on YouTube so you always have timely access to important information like this.